Everybody, coming back with another quick video. Today we've got another vintage camera. This is a Minolta XG-7 35mm film camera. I have done some testing on this camera, so I thought I'd go through it with you. As you can see, it's got the lens on it here. You can read the specs on that lens. In the gaps here is some, you'll see some ambered color stuff. This is just glue that's kind of discolored, so I haven't dug it out or cleaned it. I didn't want to separate anything, but there's the back of the camera. Body's in good overall condition. The QC sticker is missing. Other side of the camera. There's the bottom. I did put a couple new batteries in it, but they're just some aftermarket batteries. You may want to put a nicer battery in it. I do also have two of the instruction manuals. This one is for the lens, and the one for the camera as well. Shutter does work. I'll go ahead and open the back here. It is on. Did have to clean the battery compartment a little bit to get a good connection there for it to work, but seems to be in good working order now. So that's about it. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.